Hi, I'm Tom McCollough. I look after FeatureCAM development for Delcam. I'd like to spend the next few minutes talking to you about some of the improvements we've made to FeatureCAM over the past year and that will appear in our FeatureCAM 2012. We've made a wide range of improvements, from small improvements to headliner items. Some of the small improvements include hotkeys in the software. It's the ability to assign custom key combinations. Customers for a long time have been wanting, when they place a plunge point, to see a circle that's the size of the tool. We've got that capability too. Plus, we've added multi-threading to a lot more of our 3-axis roughing techniques. Now, one of the headline improvements for FeatureCAM 2012 is support of stock models. We've got the ability now in FeatureCAM to output a stock model, and that stock model is the rest material. It's the amount of material that didn't get cut by the toolpath. And what we can do with that stock model is feed it into subsequent toolpaths and clip those to make more efficient toolpaths that cut less air. This new stock model capability applies not only to 2-axis, 3-axis, but also to multi-axis, 4-axis toolpaths, 3+2, and even to turn mill parts. Now, one of our headline 3-axis techniques is new spiral for Z-level roughing. It's a lot like regular Z-level roughing that you're familiar with, but now you can make it go in a continuous spiral, and this is great for high-speed milling applications. You've got more consistent acceleration, deceleration, the tool life is increased, more closely a constant cutter load, so you can drive that tool faster and more smoothly. Now, for 5-axis simultaneous cutting, with FeatureCAM 2012, the software can automatically lean, then lead, or lead and then lean. It will make those choices automatically for you, so you just have to specify one technique and it will more efficiently figure out a way to cut the 5-axis simultaneous toolpath without gouging. Now, one of the things we've done for turning is the ability to assign an offset to each side of your grooving tool. Now, if you need to make parts that are precise and to tolerance, you're going to need to have an offset for the left shoulder of walls and grooving and for the right shoulder, and you do that by putting an offset for each side of your grooving tool. One of the things we've added to our wire product is the option for negative leave allowance. So when you're cutting with wire in either 2-axis or 4-axis, you can get the wire to overcut just a little bit. That's what negative leave allowance is, for purposes like plating or part fit. It's an easy option to add. You don't have to mess with the geometry at all. Another option that we've added in wire is part compare, so that you can check your target part against the part that you've actually cut. One of the long-term enhancements that people have wanted is some new additions to the tool database. So in your tool information, you can store things like step over, step down, and ramp angle preferences for each tool and each material, so that when that tool is used to cut in a given material, the appropriate cutting conditions are automatically picked. These are just a few of the hundreds of feature enhancements that we've made to FeatureCAM 2012. If you're a current user, these are the things you've asked us to put in the software. If you haven't tried FeatureCAM yet, this is the year to do it.